Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Clicking noises in a toaster can mean a faulty switch or heating element issue. Occasional clicks might be harmless, but loud or constant clicking signals a possible electrical problem. To stay safe, unplug the toaster and have it checked or replaced. Never ignore unusual sounds from electrical appliances.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.